shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, but meantime, sound of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fall time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, now you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns, they blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. Guitar is all he can afford. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make the scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky tonk like anything, saving it up Friday night with the Sultans, with the Sultans of Swing. Boys, they're fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best souls. They don't give a damn about any trumpet playing band. It ain't what they call
You picked me up, you shot me down, stepping out